Good evening, traders. Welcome to 200 Forex Pips live trading room. So, guys, I welcome everyone here. So, guys, you know that we have started this series of live trading so that everyone can get benefit from the services. So, basically, from the live trading. So, let me adjust the camera first because it's yet not adjusted. So, guys, have a look here. Okay, I think so. That is now much better. What do you think, guys? I think so. That is much fine with it. Okay, guys, let me adjust it because right now I want to setting up my mobile phone to the camera so that we can start the live coaching because it's really important that everything should be settled down. So we have right now 5 members on the screen. I welcome everyone. Guys, I'm just setting up the camera, so please have some patience so that we can get started, and you know that we get start once we have some traders at our end. Okay, guys, is that fine? Are you able to look at the screen? Is that fine for you right now? uh, I have tried my best today that I have even cleaned my laptop as well so that you can view the screen in a good manner. So guys, please tell me in the chat box, is that screen clear to you? Okay, welcome everyone who just came and joined this live trading room. So guys, basically we have started this series of scalping in this live trading room. So we are teaching and I'm just working on your opinion. You will tell me about the trades and we will execute those trades. Okay guys, let me show you the results here right now, what we have achieved. The session that we have done during the afternoon. So guys, these are the results that were achieved on that time. Let me show you here. All of the traders have suggested with the good suggestions. Only I think there was one losing trade on that time. So you can see just we had a losing trade on I think Euro USD sell, that was I think so. So rest of the trades went particularly very perfectly fine. So overall we did a profit right now, you can see on the screen here. So guys, we will start the live trading. You should join the chat option as well. So let's have more members because I have received messages from people from traders that when you are going to live again. So I have told you that 2 p.m. GMT plus 5 is the first session time, that we do the first session time during the afternoon after the London session, and then we are also going to do the evening session, that's this time. So this time can be also be extended as well, but normally we do 2 sessions. Okay, guys, let's have more members in the trading live room so that we can start trading. Okay, those members who are watching this live stream, so come on, guys, start chatting with me right now because I'm looking towards your, because you know that what we are doing in these sessions, you will suggest me with the trades. I will execute the trades without asking any questions, and if and I will tell you where did you make the mistake while creating a trade. So that's a typical type of you can say that this is basically for the learning purpose we are doing this, that you will suggest me with the trades as per the trading system, and then I will execute those trades at my end without asking any questions. So guys, let's have more members so that we can start our session. So those members who are watching the live stream, so if you have any ideas, then bro, come into the chat box, start chatting with me. I'm also watching my mobile phone, and let's get started. Tell me about the signals and I will teach you that how to trade the market, and I will rectify your mistakes meanwhile. So guys, keep live like this live stream because I can see there are some viewers as well who are watching this live stream, but they are not liking the live stream. So guys, please press the like button so that it can be appreciation for me that at least we are going live and we have started this series for the betterment of the of our traders. So please like this live stream, share this live stream so that we can have maximum members and we can start live trading as well. Yes, the likes are coming, so more likes are required, guys. Those who are watching, then I recommend them to like this live stream so that we can have more members. Also, share it with everyone. Welcome, everybody. So, we have just started this live stream 5 minutes ago. So, waiting for you guys because I want you people, maximum people here for the live session get started. So, drop your comments because this live chat room will work with your comments because we are doing a different type of trading. In the previous live session live streamings that I have done, I have shown you how to scalp the market, but from yesterday we have changed the scenario. I thought that I will be able to help and rectify your mistakes if you suggest me with the trading, and you will tell me that which trade to be executed, and I will simply execute that trade without asking any questions and drop your trades here so that I can get started, because this trading room will be this trading room is in your hands, and I'm completely doing trading based on yourself, and I'm going to check the my subscribers that how well they are in suggesting any trades. So guys, come on. I think it's we are getting late and you are not sending the
Incoming mail.
chat requests. So send up the chat request here. So we have some news here, I think so, because we I received a message from the broker. Maybe some high impact news is going to hit the market. So guys who are watching this live stream, so come on, chat with me. So let's get started. So please post your trades here. If you are not in front of laptop, then you should be in front of laptop. Otherwise you can use MetaTrader 4. Suggest me what to do. So what to do on Euro USD, what to do on Great Britain Pound USD, USD JPY, USD CHF. Okay, Shangra, welcome Shangra. So he said Euro USD, Euro New Zealand buy. Okay, Shangra, let me have a look because Euro New Zealand, yes, it is here. Okay, Shangra said to buy Euro New Zealand. So, guys, I'm going to buy Euro New Zealand without asking any questions. So, I have placed the buy order. Hello again, Shangra. Thank you. Welcome back. Okay, Shangra, you know about our a trade that was running on USD JPY. I closed it at a profit on that time because it was executed on that time, but mostly we have done a very good trading during the afternoon session. So look, a USD JPY trade, I'm not sure that it was advised by you or someone else, so we caught like 1.84 on that trade. So Shangra, you have advised me to buy which pair? That is Euro New Zealand. Okay. So anyone else who have any idea which pair to buy or sell? Because right now we are giving chance to one person at a time. So one trade at a time. So guys, stay in touch and let me about your thoughts here. What do you think? So what to do right now? Because we have different pairs like USD JPY, USD CHF, and USD Canadian dollar, Great Britain pound JPY, AUD USD, Euro JPY, AUD JPY, New Zealand USD, Canadian dollar JPY, Euro New Zealand, AUD New Zealand, and Great Britain pound CHF. And the previous pairs are Euro Canadian dollar, Euro Great Britain pound. So that's what we have right now. Okay, till now Shangra has advised us to buy Euro New Zealand, and I have simply placed the buy order without asking any questions. So those members who are watching this live stream, I recommend them to post your trades here, post your calls here, and also like this live stream and share this live stream with maximum people. Okay, Yasin Adams, Great Britain Pound AUD, good long. Yasin Adams just come up with the option that what we want to do now. I mean, a buy or sell. Just send a confirm message what you want me to do, because uh, I'm open to suggestions, but it's better. Okay, Blair was welcome. Blair, I guess I buy Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand is already suggested by Shangra, and we have already triggered a trade on that one. Yasin Adams buy it, Great Britain Pound AUD. Okay, Great Britain Pound AUD is not attached to our charts. Let me find that pair. Great Britain Pound AUD. Okay, let's attach it. and quickly. So we should buy that one. That's what you were saying, guys, because I'm not sure your chat removed. So, guys, if you want your comment to stay here for the longer period of time, then please use this super chat option. You can see a dollar sign at your end. So, guys, tell me what to do with Great Britain Pound AED, buy or sell. Who suggested me with the trade? I think Blair Boss or someone else. So, guys, basically, I was setting up the indicators. Now, tell me, guys, Great Britain Pound AUD chart is already attached. Now, tell me what to do, buy or sell on Great Britain Pound AUD. Just tell me here and I will trigger the trade. Come on, guys, tell me. Don't be late, because we also have to find the mistakes here, and I will tell you with your mistakes. So basically, this session is more going to help you regarding your mistakes that you make in the forex trading. So I will rectify your mistakes, and hopefully you will not repeat that mistakes, because we have also caught mistakes during the afternoon session that we did today. Okay, guys, who suggested me for a buy or sell on Great Britain Pound AUD? Come again and let me know. Wait a little bit and jump on a buy position. Buy it. Okay, Yasin Adams, simply. Should I wait or should I place my order? Just tell me. Player boss USD JPY. Yes, what? What to do with USD JPY? You will tell me, because I am going to rectify your trades. So you will have to tell me. Sell it, I think. Okay, Blair, you are saying sell it. So I have placed the sell order on USD JPY. Okay, Scott Farm said sell. Scott, welcome here. So sell USD JPY. So Scott, also the other one. Blair Boss has also advised the same. So you both have advised the same trade to sell USD JPY, and it's already triggered. Okay, guys, anyone else who want to suggest me with any trade, because you will learn from your mistakes, and we have different charts like Euro Canadian dollar, Euro Great Britain Pound, Euro USD. Okay, sell Great Britain Pound JPY Scott Farm. Okay, Scott Farm, I respect your comment. Okay, so sell is recommended by Scott Farm. So I have placed the sell order on Great Britain Pound JPY as per the recommendation of Scott Farm. So welcome, Scott Farm. You are, I think, attending this first session, because you were, I think, not there for from the last sessions, because there were other guys here. So overall, we are just building our community. So guys, maximum share this live streaming with everyone, so that most of the people can come and they learn about the trading system, as well as they will be able to rectify their mistakes. This is the main purpose of doing this session. Exactly, Great Britain Pound JPY is a good trade. Okay, Blair Boss, let's see how it can be a good trade. So we will see. Okay, buy Great Britain Pound AUD now. That's the suggestion by Adams. Yasin Adams said buy Great Britain Pound AUD. Fine, I'm going towards that. Okay, he said buy. So look, I have taken a buy position. So guys, make sure that we are not trading a demo account. We are trading the real account. You can see this is the Xness real account. So this is not any type of fake trading. This is real trading, live trading. So now we are open to suggestions. Basically, I've funded this account just to the small account just to help you people, because you people are making a lot of mistakes. I think so, and most of the people think that might be this system is not good. So I am here to clear their doubts that why they think so. So let's we will find. Okay, we will find that why they are bad, and what could be the reasons. Okay, first of all, let's coming back to the point. Who suggested me with the Euro New Zealand Canadian dollar trade? I think it was Shangra. Yes, Shangra. If you were, then come on the screen and tell me, because it is went into the loss and it is giving us 12.06 loss. Shangra, was that you? Because I want to rectify your mistake here. Shangra, come up as soon as possible. Please come to the chat box. Was that you who suggested Euro New Zealand USD to buy? Please, Shangra, reply on this because I want to rectify a mistake of yours. Come on, Changra, are you going to listen my voice? And are you still in the room or you have left the live streaming? I'm not sure. If you are listening to my live streaming, then please reply that was that you. I think so, because as far as I remember, that was the first trade that was advised by Shangra. So we have taken a buy position on Euro New Zealand USD as per the recommendation of Shangra. Okay, there is no reply till now from Shangra. So Shangra, are you afraid that trade went into loss, or uh, what happened to you? Because I want you to be a part of here, our trading community, so that we can do more better. Come on, because here comes a mistake from your side. That's why I want to rectify it. Okay, let's hold this trade a little bit more. Who don't, why don't buy Euro New Zealand? Blair boss said. Okay, Blair, basically the buying was not a good option. So Shangra basically told me to buy it, but on the previous candle. Now look at here. So guys, those subscribers who have this trading system already, so look at this candle and look at the previous candle. Can you see any type of bullish candle in appearance? Can you see? The answer is simply no. There was no bullish candle in appearance, because the next candle was also getting bearish. But maybe it is possible that this is the oversold levels as per the trading system. So maybe this can pump up. Yes, I do not say that this candle has only chances to go down. Maybe it can pump up, but I'm doing this live session like this because I am rectifying your mistakes. So have you seen any kind of a bullish pattern starting from here? Maybe can you see a single bullish candle from here? The answer is simply no. Then why you recommended me to buy this pair on that time? Simply, I, without asking any question, I simply posted the buy trade. But as far as I remember and as per my experience, I thought on that time that this could be the wrong trade, because no bullish pattern is in formation. Because the bullish pattern is like this. For example, look at this bullish candle. Look at this bullish candle. So no such pattern was in appearance right now. So that's why this could be the risky trade. So guys, if you have this trading system, then please do not trade like this, because such type of trades can be risky. For Euro New Zealand, Blair was said for Euro New Zealand. What, brother, about Euro New Zealand? uh, Sorry, yes, we were talking already about Euro New Zealand. Yes, same, because the same pair is on. Look at here. So basically a wrong suggestion, so I have closed this one because that was the wrong trade. Okay guys, so I have closed it on a loss because I want to rectify you. So Shangra, if you are still listening to my voice, then I will recommend you that at least come here, at least chat with me, because this is the way you will be able to learn from the trading system and from the trading market. Because yes, you have told me and you have supplied me with a wrong call, but it's not a problem. The wrong call can also be triggered from my side. I have already told you I am open to your suggestions. I will simply take a trade based on your opinion. What do you think? I will simply do it. So do not worry about this. I will bear up the losses. I will simply recover them as well. So do not worry about this. But the main purpose you need to understand is that I want to rectify your mistakes. So guys, please like this live streaming if you have not liked it till now, and also share this so that we can have maximum members on our live stream. Okay guys, you can see on Euro New Zealand USD right now 33 minutes of this candle have been passed, and till now it's getting a drop, so it was not a good trade overall. Maybe it can pump up later, but overall this was a not good suggestion for the trade. Okay, now coming back to the rest of the trades, right now USD JPY is in progress. A sell position was advised, going fine till now. Great Britain Pound JPY. I think I'm not sure who recommended that trade, but still it's working. It's still ongoing, and even Great Britain Pound AUD. So guys, I will call the names when they will reach to the maximum stop loss area, when we have to close the trade. So I will rectify those trades. So I will tell you that which trades were not suitable for us. Okay, guys. Any other suggestions regarding the trades? Because it's important that you should learn more. So we have different pairs like Euro Canadian dollar, Euro Great Britain pound, Euro USD. Just make sure you should be in front of your laptop, as well as you can be in front of your mobile phone where you have the MetaTrader installed, and you must be watching the market as well, so that we can have a good suggestions over. So USD CHF, USD Canadian dollar, Great Britain pound JPY, and AUD USD, Euro JPY. So guys, now tell me which trade should be triggered on this pair, because I am open to suggestions. You will simply suggest me with a trade and I will simply trigger it. We have Euro New Zealand also, AUD New Zealand, Great Britain pound CHF, Great Britain pound AUD as well, and that's the last pair of our uh, till now. We have the last pair on our screen right now. Okay, guys. Right now, these two trades are going to overcome. So hi Graham, how are you, brother? Welcome to this trading session. So, guys, Graham, we are open to suggestions. If any trade, okay, USD New Zealand buy. Okay, guys, you are giving me those pairs which I don't trade. So let's see. I have New Zealand USD. No, Graham, New Zealand. Let me check again. Uh, New Zealand. Sorry, Graham, can you please repeat which pair you talked about? Because I have New Zealand USD dollar only here. I have no other. Uh, Let me check again. So I have only New Zealand USD. Rest is not supported by my broker. Okay, guys. Graham, please suggest me with any other trade, because I don't have this pair. Lol. Yes, Blair boss. Same. I do not have this pair as well. So Graham, use it in USD New Zealand. Let me check it again. USD New Zealand. Oh, guys, I have this one. No, I don't have this one because that's USD Norwegian krona. No, I don't have gram. Okay, Blair boss said Canadian dollar JPY sell. So should I sell? Because you were asking a question maybe. So tell me with a confirmed trade that you think should we sell or buy. Just tell me with one recommendation, Blair. That will be more advisable, because it will make our things quite simple. Okay, gram, what gram New Zealand USD, what to do? What to do with New Zealand USD gram? Buy, sorry. Okay, Graham said New Zealand USD buy. Okay, guys, as per the recommendation of Graham, I'm going to buy New Zealand USD. So, Graham, we have placed the buy order. Okay, simply. Dinesh Mathiwan sell. Brother, which pair you are talking about? Because, sorry for what, Graham? I don't understand for what you are going to be sorry. Okay, guys, right now our all trades are going within the tight ranges, so you cannot say that they are more into the losses. So we're all working fine. So let's see and decide what's going on. Okay, guys, we have achieved something on Great Britain Pound AUD. Great Britain Pound AUD. Who suggested this trade? A buy on Great Britain Pound AUD. Uh, I had pairs murdered. Okay, fine. Okay, who suggested me with Great Britain Pound AUD? Because it has somehow reacted, but right now it's reversed back. Okay, but it was a time to close that, but unfortunately I was not able to close that on that time, but now I will look into it. Okay, Adam said that you recommended. Okay, Adams, just make sure you also notify me if it closes on profit. Then I will have to share you one thing that you suggested me the buy trade at that level. So I will let you know that what could be the possible mistakes. So right now it's working at 2.73. 3979 2.85. Okay, guys, we have a profit on USD JPY, so I'm going to close this one. Okay, first of all, guys, tell me who. Yes, I'm waiting for it. So, guys, who told me about USD JPY trade? Who told me, guys? Come up here, because this is important. It's going to fly soon. Okay, Adams, let's wait here. Okay, who told me about USD JPY trade? Because we caught a profit. So let me share one thing. Who suggested me with the USD JPY sell trade? Come up. Okay, Blair Boss, well done, Blair Boss. You have done a very good job and you understood this system very fine. Because look at the previous candle close. Okay, guys, that's important. Listen to my words very carefully. Look, the previous candle made the make the bullish bearish tail first, and then it went down. And the same thing happened in the next hour. First of all, it was looking that the market is going up. Yes, Scott, you were also there on USD JPY. I remember. Sorry, I forgot to call your name. So look, this is the overbought levels as per the trading system. So it was supposed to go down. So buying at this level was a risky option. And still, if you ask me, USD JPY can go further down. So overall, a nice call from Blair Boss and Scott. They both have done a great job, and they have suggested right. So guys, now it's the time to tell you that you people must be learning something from it, and hopefully such type of sessions will be more useful for you, because they will help you to understand this trading system. When I will ask you from the for regarding the trades, then you will, when you will suggest me with the trades, then it will be more healthy option and you will go fine with everything. And in this way you will learn a lot, guys. Seriously, I'm telling you, you will learn a lot, and your trading will it will take you to the next level of trading. Your trading will be heavily improved. Okay, guys, more comments. What you want me to do next? Okay, guys, your comments are also going invisible in front of me. Tony Smith, AUD USD buy, New Zealand USD buy. Tony, we have already a buy position on New Zealand USD, so you recommended me with a buy on AUD USD, so I am going to buy this one based on your opinion. So let's see how this trade go on. So overall, we have placed the buy order. Okay, Blair Boss USD CHF sell. Okay, fine. I'm going to sell. You told me, so I have simply placed a sell order. So guys, Great Britain Pound AUD is back to profit, and Great Britain Pound AUD, where it is, here we are. Okay. Oh, again it's reversed. Why it's so fast? I don't know, guys. 3.35, 3.40, 3 point, and again reverse to 2.79. So guys, we have to wait more on Great Britain Pound AUD, because it comes into our ranges 3.60, 3.53, 3.34 and 3.71. And I think so, guys, we have to close this one as soon as possible, because I want to share one thing with you. 3.34, 3.40. So guys, 3.46, I have closed Great Britain Pound AUD. So first of all, tell me who suggested me with the Great Britain Pound AUD trade, because I want to rectify one thing, so that such type of mistake should not be done next time. So overall the trade went fine. We have collected the profit, but still there was a problem with the trade. So first of all, guys, please tell me who suggested me with the sell position, with the buy position on Great Britain Pound AUD. So guys, please just make sure that you answer me quickly, so that I can help you regarding the forex trading questions. Meanwhile, guys, please press the like button, so that you should like the live streaming as well. Yasir Khan said Euro USD sell. Okay, Yasir Khan, if you believe that Euro USD is going to be down, then I don't mind. So I am going to take a sell position on Euro USD. That's fine. Okay, guys, coming back to here. Okay, guys, no one told me. Okay, Great Britain Pound JPY is on a profit. I have just closed it. So, guys, you have not told me also who suggested me with Great Britain Pound JPY. Come up here, just post your comment in the chat box. Who suggested me with Great Britain Pound JPY? Sell trade. I think we were in sell, yes. Uh, Great Britain Pound JPY, yes, sell trade was taken. So who suggested me? Guys, please little be quick with the live chat, because uh, you are not replying on time. Because okay, Blair Boss, you were there. Okay, now you understand. Now let me tell you one thing. Look, right now it's pumping down. So first of all, the first criteria met. The market went inside the uh, overbought levels. Then it was getting the rejection from here, and we were actually doing scalping. That's why we are relying on smaller profits. And to be make sure that one thing, you have to look this candle. Look, the very loose candle appeared on the chart. Look at this one, very loose candle, and after that the market straight get rejection. So this is how you can read the behavior of the candle, that it was a very loose candle, bullish candle. Yes, something sometimes it also happens that after such candles still the market keeps on going up, but overall the loose candles means that you need to be very careful because the market can get a rejection from that level. So overall a good call from Blair, and we have profited from it. But guys, you have not told me who suggested me with the Great Britain pound AUD trade, because there is a mistake in that trade, so I want to rectify it. So come up, guys. Tell me who suggested me with a Great Britain Pound AUD trade. Please quickly tell me, because I also have to take next trades as per the suggestions of my traders. So let's cover this part first. So who suggested me? Okay, Scott. Scott, you suggested me with a Great Britain Pound AUD buy trade. I mean, I'm talking about this trade, guys. Great Britain Pound AUD. Yasin for okay, Yasin Adams, I think so. Okay, Yasin. Okay, Yasin, you have added me the comment. Okay, Scott, you said I did. Okay, fine. Okay, now Yasin, Scott, you told me to buy here. Okay, so first of all, we are not talking about the higher time frames, because we are just going to scalp the market, and the we are only consulting the 1 hour chart, and sometimes there will be a time required, we can also consult the 4 hour chart as well. But look at here, you said me to buy the pair, but have you noticed that the market was still below the middle dotted line? I'm going to zoom this candle. Now look at here, it wasn't closed above the middle dotted line. So why to buy this pair, brother? That was a risky option on that time. So that could be the mistake if you are using this trading system. So that could be the mistake that you were using, that you were taking early entries. So basically, overall we have collected the profit from that trade, but overall that was the early entry. So that was the that you should be noticed with this thing, that next time do not wait for do not take early entries. So let's say you have told me about to buy Great Britain Pound AUD. So you should have at least wait for Great Britain Pound AUD to pump above the middle blue dotted line, so that you can take a buy chance. Otherwise, the buy chance does not mean anything near to me. I think hope your answer is clear. Okay, guys. So far the trades are running into the losses. So guys, let me suggest you with more trades. So more trades you will suggest, the more you will learn from this market. So keep on guys, learning like this, because I do not mind that if I bear any type of loss due to my subscribers, then I do not mind it, because I just want to teach you. I want to teach my YouTube community. So let me tell you that basically I want to do anything for you. So you need to be a participant here. Okay, I do appreciate your efforts. Training in a live market, nobody does it like you're doing. Yes, brother, I really understand, because nobody would like to risk his account, and even nobody would like to teach his tricks. So basically whatever I am teaching right now, and overall how I am coming up with a time for you people, that's very nice for me. Okay, I am getting the messages from Gustavo here. I will Gustavo, if you are watching this live stream, then I will reply you back later. Okay, Tim said USD JPY sell. Okay, so we already did a sell here. So if you said, then we are entering into the sell position again as per the recommendation of Tim. So that's not a problem, and even not a bad trade, because he suggested at a good time as well. But little bit late we are on it, but maybe the market can still have the downward pressure. Downward pressure. So overall, not a bad trade, guys. You can take the chances like this. So overall, not a bad trade. So guys, we have a good number of at least some traders here. So guys, come up with your suggestions. Like this live stream, because you are not pressing the like button here. This is the open session. Right now you will suggest me with the trades, and I will, without asking any questions, I will simply place the trade on my live account. This is the real account, this is not a demo account. So simply I will place my trades based on your opinion, and in this way you will learn. If your trade goes wrong, I will tell you where you did the mistake. Okay, remember the sell we took from Euro Great Britain Pound? It went so bearish. Yes, Kato, I remember that it went bearish, but overall we are talking about scalping right now, so scalping chances are on. Okay guys, look at the pressure on USD JPY. So I'm going to close it right now because it's already went down. So what we have caught from that trade, so we have caught 4.14. So Blair boss said New Zealand JPY sell. Okay, well done. Who suggested me with the USD JPY call? So come up here. Okay, guys. Also, what was the last trade that you? Because your comment has got vanished from my side. Tell me which was the last trade that you recommended. Uh, which was the last trade? I sorry forgot. So, guys, who suggested me with the last trade, repeat it again because your comment is invisible in front of me because you are not using the super chat option. So, guys, tell me which trade you suggested me on that time so that I can retake. Please, can you explain why sell on USD JPY? It has not crossed the middle dotted line. Okay, Dinesh said that about USD JPY. He said that why we have taken a sell position because he was only thinking that the sell position is on when the market crosses below the when the any hour closes when the candle closes below the middle dotted line. So basically, Dinesh, that's not the issue here because this is the top red boundaries are the overbought levels. You can take your sell positions right from here if you see that the market is getting the drop. Look, the previous candle was getting the drop, so you can take the sell position. The sell was already on this trade, and if let's say if this candle closes below the middle dotted line, then we will take again a sell chance. And what about taking the buy positions? Look at here, for example, let's say if the market comes into the lower red boundary and if it starts to gain the momentum from here, then you can take a buy position. And then if you see that it's closed any hour closed above the middle dotted line, then you take buy positions. Okay, AUD USD in profit. Let me check. Oh, yes. Okay, we have caught a profit on AUD USD. That was a recommended trade by Blair Boss. Well done. So, New Zealand USD, well done, guys. You have suggested me with the right trade. So, let's have a look on the charts first. Where is it? New Zealand USD and AUD USD. Okay, guys. Now let me tell you, as per the trading system, the guy who recommended me with a buy trade, he was pretty right because the previous hour close was above the middle dotted line. Okay, Euro JPY sell. Graham, you are asking a question or you are telling me to sell? Just confirm it. Okay, the person who advised me to take a buy position on Euro on AUD USD, he was pretty right as per the trading system because the hourly candle was closed above the middle dotted line. You can see here, guys, this candle was closed above, so it was a chance to take a buy position on that trade, not the time to sell AUD USD. Okay, now coming to New Zealand USD, let me find it because we have so many pairs on the screen, so it's really hard for me to find the pair that we are actually trading. So where it is, can you find New Zealand USD here? Okay, Tony Smith, that was me. Tony, thank you so much. You have recommended and you have understood the system correctly. Okay, guys, look at the here, the same scenario. Even if you look at this candle, let me zoom this one. So this candle will close above the middle dotted line. The next candle went bullish and still the bullish chances were on. So Tony has provided us that, okay, Graham, you were also, so that's good, Graham. Yes, Graham, I remember you also posted that to sell, to buy New Zealand USD as well. So that was the right time to enter in the buy position. So guys, now tell me who says that this trading system is bogus? Do you think so? That anyone can say, okay, one more trade is in profit is on USD CHF. Let's close it. Okay, USD CHF. Why it comes into the profit? I'm giving you the reasons here. So the guy who recommended it, let me tell you about USD CHF that the market was getting the rejection from the overbought levels and it was going down, 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 down. And look, he suggested me on this candle, right? Okay, look at the previous close. Look at the previous close. The previous candle was closed bearish on USD CHF, as well as you can see a sell signal from the scalper on USD CHF, and look, the market has dropped. So guys, now tell me, what do you think? Do you think that still that this system is bogus? It does not work because I am taking trades in front of you and you are looking at with your eyes by yourself that we are catching maximum trades as per the trading system and everything is going in our favor. But if you take a wrong trade, then I am also suggesting you and rectifying your mistakes that where you were wrong in that scenario. Okay, guys, coming back to Euro USD, I think that was advised by some Yasir Khan. I think so. I'm not pretty sure, but I think so. He was Yasir someone. Okay, Euro JPY sell when closes below the middle dotted line. Okay, just let me have a look on Euro JPY. So Graham, yes, better. It's right now. It's into the zone, but remind me after it get closed. Okay, okay. We have a profit on Euro USD, guys. Euro USD is pumping down. So 3.20, 3.30, 3.50, 3.60. Again reverse, and we have closed at 510. Okay, guys, we have a closed profit on Euro USD. So the mind is the person name is into my mind. I think that was Yasir Khan. He suggested me to sell that trade. Okay, Yasir Khan, there is a suggestion for you. What the suggestion is, luckily this trade has gone into our favor. Okay, you have given me a good call. I'm not sure what you were using, but let me tell you one thing, to be very careful in your trading decisions. Basically you need to see one thing, because you advised me with the sell, but you haven't seen that the market was pumping up from the oversold levels. So that could be a risky option, that when you are taking a sell position from the oversold levels. So right now if you look at the previous two candles close, they were bullish. So overall, in general, yes, luckily this trade has gone into our favor. But overall, I am telling you that whenever you should trade using the same trading system, then you should not take sell chances when the market is here. Instead, you should go with the buy chances. I hope this problem should be resolved now. Okay, guys, we have just done trading, and look how smart my subscribers are. Look, they have given good profits. Look, they have given me series of profits. Okay, Tony Smith, sell USD Canadian dollar. Okay, sell USD Canadian dollar, Tony Smith. Okay, fine. If you said, then I'm going to take a sell position. Okay, guys. Also, we have 4 minutes to go with the close of every candle, because the next hour is going to be starts after 4 minutes. Okay, guys. More suggestions, come here and tell me what you want more. Which pair should be traded? Till now, we have traded USD JPY, Euro USD, USD CHF, AUD USD, New Zealand USD all went in profit, and these are all the suggestions from my subscribers. Great Britain Pound JPY and USD JPY, but I think the only trade that went wrong was Euro New Zealand. But rest, we have also recovered that loss as well from the rest of the trades. Hopefully, you must have understood this, that how we are using. Okay, Blair Boss said Euro JPY is in profit. Euro JPY in profit, brother. What you said, Euro JPY? We have not, I think, traded that one till now. No, we have not traded that one till now. So if you have any trade, then you can tell me simply. I will execute the trade at my end, no problem. So basically, I want you to get trained on this trading system, so that you people can know the worth of this trading system, because I'm just going to clear your doubts about that trading system. Okay, Graham and everyone, Graham suggests Euro JPY. Graham suggested that if Euro JPY closes below the middle dotted line during this hour, then we will have to take a sell position on Euro JPY. So still 2 minutes are there to go with this candle. So Graham, remind me after 2 minutes, and we will take a trade simply. And okay, guys, any other trade that you want to suggest me? So guys, come up with the options. Open your laptops, open your mobile phone, and open your MT4 terminals and suggest me with the trades, because I want to rectify you, everyone. So guys, come up with the options that you can do with me. So this is the open trading room. So this is the live trading room. We are open to suggestions. You will simply tell me about the trade that you want me to execute, and without asking any questions, I will simply execute this trade on my live account. So basically, the main purpose is to guide you people about the trading system, and to teach you that how well you can do with the trading system. Okay, USD Canadian dollar loss is much reduced on that one. So let's have a look. Okay. So the new hour is going to get started, guys. After just a 1 minute, the new hour is going to get started. So get ready for the new hour as well, because we are going to enter into the new hour. Okay, where we can get the indicator and how much should we invest to start it? Olaf Verweej, if you want to get this indicator, then you need to send me your email on info at the rate of 200forexpips.com. I will reply to your email and I will tell you the price of that indicator as well. So, and investment, it depends on you because I do not advise with investments. The more you can invest in forex, the more safer you will be on the side. But just make sure that you also know about the risk management techniques and you have the good strategy. So it's good. It will be more good if you attend our daily sessions. Okay, guys, we are into the new hour, and the new hour candle is just closed on Euro Canadian dollar above the middle dotted line. So, guys, I am just open to the suggestions. So, let's going back to the Graham. Graham, this candle is closed below. You suggested me to take a sell position on Euro JPY, so I have just taken a sell position on this one. Okay, guys, Graham, happy now because I have taken the sell position as per your recommendation. Okay, fine. I have taken the position here. It was a fine trade because, guys, look at the Euro JPY. It is closed below the, let me zoom this candle, below the middle dotted line. So this candle, you can say that overall, when we talk about this trading system, so when the hourly candle closes below the middle dotted line, it means that the next candle has maximum chances to go up, go down when it closes below, and when it closes above there is maximum chances to go further up. So let's see that either the signal was right or not. Okay, USD Canadian dollar in profit, but right now it's not giving us a reasonable profit to get a close, Tony. So let's wait more. Okay, and then I will tell you about your mistake as well. So just wait for your mistake as well. Okay, it's at 2.35. If you want me to close that one, then I can close it. That's not a problem. Okay, 3.34. Okay. Okay, 3.49 and 3.46 and 3.06, sorry. And let's move ahead so that I can close this one because I want to tell something to Tony. I think so. You were Tony, you're right. Tony, you recommended me with that trade, right? Okay, 3.06 right now on the screen. Guys, what happened? My MT4 is stucking right now. Okay, 3.41, 3.27, 3.34, and guys, 3.27, and sell position is advised 3.34. Okay, Tony, I am just closed at 3.27. Look at here, I have just closed your trade at 3.27. Okay, Tony, you basically recommended me. Okay, Yasir Khan, Euro USD buy. Okay, just a second, Yasir Khan. Okay, just Euro USD Canadian dollar. So just we will have to come back to USD Canadian dollar. USD Canadian dollar. So Euro, Yasir Khan said buy. Okay, fine. I am placing the buy order. So come back to USD Canadian dollar. We have executed the trade as per the Yasir Khan recommendation. So USD Canadian dollar. Okay, guys. Tony, there was one mistake from your side. You told me to sell USD Canadian dollar when the market was here, right? Now look, luckily I have closed the trade. Now look at the next candle, it starts to pump up. So basically you have not waited for the market to let it go inside the top red boundary, because if you look at this candle, the previous candle that is closed, it was bullish. So guys, never do this mistake that whenever the candle is bullish and you are going to take a sell position, even the market is into the oversold levels, overbought levels. So let me take an example. For example, let's say here if the market is still making the bullish pattern, then you will not take any kind of sell positions. It would not be a wise decision. Okay, Tony, so next time do not do this mistake, because otherwise you will be risking your account. Take a proper trade. I use this trading system but with a proper manner. I mean, I do not just think that, oh, okay, just touch the red level, so blue level, so let's plan a sell trade. No, I do not trade like this. So I have told you, even if the market enters into the top red boundary and still it starts to make a bullish pattern, then you will not close, you will not take any kind of sell position. What when you will take a sell position? Only when you see that the bearish candles are in formation, then you will take a sell position. Okay, Tony, do you agree to me, to my answer? Now look at this, because the next candle is pumping up. So if we had not closed at 3.27, we must be at a loss on the next candle, because it was the early trade. So Tony, if you agree to me, then please drop your comment here so that I can see your comment, and hopefully I have rectified your mistake. Okay, guys, both of the trades are going into the losses, so let's not talk about the losses. Okay, Zamir Hussain, welcome here to our live trading room. We are open to the suggestions. Uh, about trades, I will say advise about the trades. Okay, yes, I agree. You okay, Tony? Now your mistake is rectified. So if you keep on attending these sessions, these will be quite helpful, because you will learn about the trading system, and then you maybe it could be the point. I do not guarantee anyone, but maybe you can reach to a level where you can also get the realized immediately it was a mistake. Okay, Tony, I really understand. Do not worry about it. So basically, why I have a early close now, you should also understand it. Sorry for all caps. No, brother, don't be sorry, because we are here to help. I'm here to help my YouTube community. So do not worry about this. Even if we had a loss, okay, you were on the wrong time frame. That's not a problem. So basically, the main purpose is to help my YouTube community, and I decided to grow my YouTube channel to the maximum number of people, so that they can come to the right place, so that they should come to the right level of trading, because we are doing the next level of trading. We have left everyone before us, because we are doing a very special type of trading, and that we are doing very good job with the expert advisors, with the trading system, with the signals, with everything, even with the coaching programs. We are doing very good thing. So guys, just make sure that we should do well. AUD Canadian dollars ready to sell? I don't know, Blair boss, you will have to tell me that AUD USD should I, AUD Canadian dollar, what you said. Okay, fortunately it went right. I would have been embarrassed. No, Tony, it's not going to be, it's not the matter of being embarrassment, because you can say that this is just like a classroom where we learn from our teacher. So I'm just like your friend. Even I cannot say that I'm your teacher. So we are just working like mates, and we will do it. Very much appreciated all your work, Subhan, Squad Farm. Thank you so much, and joining this live chat room. So basically, we are here for the learning purpose, not here to waste our time. And definitely, when we will make our mistakes, and we will learn from that our mistakes as well. So you just imagine that, guys, that when we will have so many live sessions like this, then how good your trading will be improved. Okay. Okay, so let me tell you, thank you for learn us, Blair boss. No problem, brother. You're more than welcome to me. Okay, guys, do not get bored. Let's not get bored. So now I'm open to the suggestions again. So tell me with the trades. So come on, Blair, tell me, what do you think about the trade? Graham, where are you? You should also tell something. At least come up with the ideas. Come up, guys. Come up. Just get ready for the trade. So just tell me which trade should be taken, and I will simply execute that trade with no issues. And simply, we will do our trades. And just for learning purpose, we are doing this. So just come up with your ideas. What do you think? So, and meanwhile, I will teach you as per the trading system, and you should know that you should believe this thing, that this is one of the top trading system widely used all over the world, and mostly the big traders are using this. USD Canadian dollar sell advised by Graham. Okay, Graham, I'm going to take a sell position as per Graham advice. So previously, this position was also advised by I think so, Tony. So overall fine. So if you believe, because told that I am not going to ask any questions, so Graham, if you believe it's going down, I have taken the position right now. So okay, fine. What could be the next option, guys? Tell me which next trade should we take. Let me open few charts. Look at here on Great Britain Pound AUD. Look at here on Great Britain Pound CHF. At here on AUD New Zealand, Euro New Zealand. Look at here Canadian dollar JPY, New Zealand dollar USD, AUD JPY, Euro JPY, AUD USD. Let me zoom out because we do not have any active trade at the moment. Euro JPY, sorry, Great Britain Pound JPY, USD Canadian dollar, USD CHF, and then we have to look at other pairs USD JPY. So you will tell me which trade to take a trade. So guys, I'm open to suggestions. Come up with your suggestions. This is the Great Britain Pound USD chart. Okay, what's next? This is the Euro USD chart, and then this is the Euro Great Britain Pound chart, and at last, this is the Euro Canadian dollar chart. So, guys who are watching this live stream, come on. I'm from Pakistan, sir. So Forex is best for trading. No, Zamir, Forex is not best for trading. It's best is the Xness because Xness is at the top. I do not recommend any broker above Xness because I'm using the Xness from a longer period of time. Candle close on Euro JPY below middle dotted line. Yes, Euro JPY. We have already the trade executed. Look, we have already the trade ongoing on Euro JPY. Do you want to make sure it prints a bearish candle in the overbought zone before looking for an entry? Yes, look, Graham has told me to take a sell position, but normally, guys, I let the market go into the red boundary or blue boundary, sometimes more inside, and the same we wait for a bullish candle print when. Yes, guys, normally it's much better, Scott, to wait for a bearish candle from the top red boundary. It would be a much safe trade better than this because if you ask me about USD Canadian dollar. Yes, it can go into our way because the market is just touching the oversold levels, but I normally wait for the close of the candle. That's important. So that's why I'm here to, sorry, the camera just disturb. Okay, guys, so that's why I'm here to change your trading style because maybe the way you are trading could not be right. And that's why we are here. Okay, guys, any other trades? Okay, Graham, thank you so much. Okay, Graham, just make sure that it's gone fine. That USD Canadian dollar US wires to me sell. I have taken a sell. It's giving us 3.77 and 3.70 just above 4. I will kill that trade into my MT4 terminal. Okay, guys, I have killed that trade. Okay, you have the system, I know. Okay, all in one said AUD Canadian dollar sell now. AUD Canadian dollar. I have on the screen? I think it will pull the trigger soon. Wait for the printing. Thank you for clarifying. No problem. AUD Canadian dollar. Okay, guys, can you please repeat your question? Who was that? Too early before. Yes, I know, Graham. Okay, it's pumped down, but overall, guys, overall, Graham, it would be much better that let the market go inside the red boundary, and then we can take a sell position. Okay, now let's go to Euro JPY. Euro JPY is pumping up, guys. Look at here. That could be the fake signal. System is great. That's the recommendation by the Graham. You can see on the screen, guys. Okay, now the overlay candle was closed below the middle dotted line, but it was going. No, Tony, do not use the 5-minute chart. Use the 1 hour chart for our trading. Okay, guys, the overlay candle was closed below the middle dotted line, but still it's going up. And what to do here? Should we get rid of that trade because I do not want to because don't want to hold the trades for the longer period of time. So let's say, but sometimes, guys, look at here. The market also makes the bearish pins like this, and then after they close is bearish. Okay, let's wait a little more on Euro JPY. Otherwise, we will close it. We will consider it a fake signal from the trading system. So guys, just make sure that when you are doing this session with me, then you must read this disclaimer that you must be understand this that my videos are educational in nature. I am not forcing you to execute our trade based on my opinion and whatever, because whatever going on into the live trading room, we are open to the ideas. I am risking my account, but I will not stay liable anyone for my account. This account is my personal, and I am personally responsible from my profits as well as losses. Yes, Tony Smith, we are doing scalping because we are doing scalping in our sessions. Okay, guys, look at here how to get rid of the bad trades. Euro JPY is pumping up, so above 15, we will simply close that one because we do not want to risk much on that. So, guys, it's pumping above 15. So, should I close? Just tell me, because we don't want to risk much in this market. So you should admit your profit losses as well, because if you will not admit your losses, then guys, you are not going to do great in this market. Otherwise you will not be successful. So maybe I have seen many traders during my coaching session, they tell that the market, I will hold up to here, hold up to here. So that day never comes in Forex and your account can get blown. So I'm just simply closing that. Okay, why not open another cell on Great Britain pound JPY? That said Alejandro. Why, brother? Why? Because because the suggestion went wrong. It was supposed to go down, but the candle is pumping up. So why we are going to enter into the sells trade again? That would be a wrong option. The market is back to the middle, so let's see if the this hour closes above the middle line. Then we will think about the buying chances, not for the selling chances, guys. So just make sure Euro USD in profit. Yasir Khan, yes, it's in profit, but still giving not reasonable profit. That's why I'm just waiting for much the more profit for it, because we are scalping and we are also losing sometimes. So that's at least we should catch some good number of pips. Okay, fine. Okay, guys, any other trading setup that you want me to trigger our trade? What do you think about it? Any other suggestion? Any guy who is going to suggest me with a trade? I'm open to suggestions here and I will rectify your mistakes. And meanwhile, if you have any type of questions, you can simply ask the questions in the chat box and I will simply answer to your inquiry. So you also email me on a daily basis. I get a lot of inquiries on a daily basis from my clients, different clients. So you can also ask your questions here so that your thing can be rectified. Okay, guys, just have a look on Euro can New Zealand chart. What do you think? I am open to suggestions. So just have a look on Euro New Zealand chart. What do you think? What to do? Guys, the first comment will be it will be served on the first come basis. So just tell me, what do you think about the in USD JPY headed more down? Yes, let's have a look on USD JPY. USD JPY headed more down. No, actually it reversed. Okay, for you buy. Blair boss said buy Euro New Zealand. Okay, fine. I am going to take a buy position on Euro New Zealand because Blair boss has told me to take a buy position on Euro New Zealand. So let's see how this goes. Okay, moreover, guys, any other suggestions? Buy for Euro New Zealand. Okay, Blair Bros, yes, I did. AUD, Ronald Toller said AUD CHF going down. AUD CHF, where it is? AUD CHF, brother, we do not have AUD CHF here. Let me have a look. We have already too many pairs on the screen. No AUD CHF. We have it also. Okay, guys, today I'm going to I normally stick to 10 pairs only. So, guys, you are doing so many pairs. So, let me attach the trading system on this one. Okay, so what is your suggestion about AUD CHF? Who told me to take a trade? Which trade should be taken? So, just tell me. Keep on posting your comments here so that I can understand what you are talking about. AUD CHF. Who advised me to open that chart? Okay, guys, come on. I am here on the chart on the request of my subscriber to open a USD. Euro New Zealand is bearish, lol. Okay, Euro USD is bearish. That said, blur. Okay, Euro New Zealand. That's what you said. I may mistake, I think. Okay, let's see. let's see. Let's see who did mistake. I will tell you at the later end, because right now I'm, if I go to reveal the mistakes, then you will, how guys you will learn from this market. Okay, guys, any other suggestion trading from your side? So Yasir Khan recommendation is still here, that he advised us to take a buy position on Euro USD, and right now we are getting like 140, but we want to close it a bit high. Can we scalp New Zealand USD, Mohammed Sukar? Mohammed Sukar, you will have to come up with a trade. You will suggest me which trade should we take, and I will take a trade without asking any type of questions. I will simply take a trade, because this is the open live trading room where I am open to the ideas. And USD CHF sell, that's what Tony Smith said. Okay, fine. I am taking. Okay, guys, sorry, there was a disturbance here. Okay, guys, I have taken the sell trade on USD CHF as per the recommendation of Tony, because he told me to take a sell position, so I did so. Okay. Okay, guys, are you able to listen to my voice? I think there is some problem ongoing with this live stream. Are you able to look at this live stream? If yes, then please drop your. Uh, okay, yes, yes, fine. Okay, we are connected again, because I thought we have lost the connection. Maybe this is going to happen due to the some interaction into the. Okay, here you, Elliot Tyrell. Elliot, how are you? Welcome back, and I think this is your first trading session. Okay, okay, Tony Smith. Yes, I forgot that. For what which you have told. Yes. Okay, guys, we are open to suggestions. We have 25 people in our trading room right now. So, guys, you will tell me the trade, and I will simply execute it at my end, and I will not even ask a single question. So, guys, we have different pairs like Euro Canadian dollar, Euro Great Britain pound. You have to tell me. You, Ruben Martino, welcome, Ruben. How are you? Welcome back. Thank you for also attending the previous sessions. The indicator you use is the Big Hayat Gravity Center. Brother, I do not have any idea about what you are talking about, Big Hayat Gravity Center, because it's different. It's called PIP Center, so I do not know, because these there were a lot of indicators developed on the same approach, but I am not sure which you are talking about. Basically, it depends on the programming, so it might be possible that your indicator, if you have any right now that you were talking about, might be different from that one, because there could be a difference in the programming. Okay, guys, we have good number of viewers in the trading room right now. So, guys, suggest me with a trade. Why you are so afraid? You will suggest me with a trade, and I will. Okay, Mohammed Sakur said sell New Zealand USD, right? Mohammed Sakur, I'm going to sell New Zealand USD without asking any questions. Okay, and Graham said AUD USD buy it. Okay, Graham, you said buy. So simply I took a buy position on AUD USD. Euro USD buy. Okay, guys, Tim, we are already on Euro USD. So make sure before you suggest me with any trade, you should look at this. USD CHF is in profit. Yes, USD Euro USD in profit, and that was recommended by Yasir Khan. So guys, you should appreciate Yasir Khan, because he has provided us with a buy position on Euro USD. Okay, guys, as you know that in the previous minutes I have talked about Euro USD, that when the market is going bouncing up from the oversold levels, then instead of taking sell positions, you should seek better buy positions here. So sorry, your skin is cloudy after that internet rebuffering. Okay, fine. Well, are you able to look at my screen, guys? Is that fine or blurry? I'm not sure, because it looks fine after it's fine to me right now. Everything is fine in front of my eyes. Whatever I can see, even I can see through my 100% good. Mohammed Screw said, okay, so Tim, maybe there might be a problem with your internet connection. So, guys, we have a profit on AUD USD, because Graham has advised us, and Graham is one of the trader who has learned from me. So, why this trade has gone well? Because look at here, Look at here, the candle was closed above the middle dotted line and still there was chance to go into the further direction. So Gram was fine because he know the way I trade and he took my point that I should buy AUD USD. Gram, well done. You are one of my top students and you are one of my best students, so well done Gram, you have recommended us with a very good trade on that time. Okay, so New Zealand USD, it's going into loss right now. So let's have a look on USD CHF. It's pumping down. Okay, so guys, more trades because right now we have just only three trades triggered till now. At least we should have like six to seven. Thank you, Gram. Okay, I refresh it and it cleared. Okay, Tim, that's good. Okay, Hisham cleared fine. Okay, Hisham, thank you. Okay, guys, now next trade which should be triggered. So right now what we have done, let's have a look. We have done 4.40 on AUD USD, 4.42 on USD Canadian dollar, 5.20 on Euro USD. A loss we made on a wrong trade, that was 15.80. 3.27 is the profit on 5 on USD Canadian dollar, USD JPY profit 5 on Euro USD, 4.13, 7.80, 5, and overall you can see we have mostly done profits and still we also have occurred a loss, but overall we are managing our losses with the suggestions from my subscribers. Okay, another trade USD CHF in is profit. Okay guys, who suggested me with the USD CHF trade? Tony, was that you? Because it went into your profit. USD Canadian dollar pumping up. Okay, pumping down now. Yes, right. Okay, who suggested me with the USD CHF trade? Okay, Tony, it was you. Okay, Tony, it was the right trade. I can say that clapping for you. But overall, Tony, that's not how I trade. Okay, we are doing better today than yesterday. Tim, yes, we are doing better and hopefully we will keep on doing better. Okay, Tony, let me tell you one thing. Yes, the market was getting the rejection from the overbought levels, but always look at the length here because if you ask me to take a sell position from these levels, it could be a risky option because look at here, when we triggered the trade, already the previous trend was downward and the market was into the downward direction already so much. So selling at these levels can be a little risky option at that time. So it could be much better that if the trades can come up to here in that area, and then if you see any bearish candles appearing from here, then selling chances can be on very good. So overall it was a risky trade, but overall it went fine. It was a good call. I did not say it was a bad call, but I am just going to rectify you here that you should look somewhere here for finding your trade. And here the pattern, that what I can see right now, it was not very much good to take a sell position, but overall luckily we have done a good job. Okay, fine. Okay, guys, New Zealand USD. Okay, come that guy who suggested me with a New Zealand USD trade as well as Euro New Zealand trade. Okay, both guys come in front of the screen. We will continue after lockdown. Yes, Rajmani, hopefully. So I am going to close Euro New Zealand. Okay, guys, first of all, let's talk about these trades, that why they went into loss. Okay, so who suggested me first of all with New Zealand USD trade? So let me rectify his mistake. So who suggested me with this? Come up guys, just share because you are going to learn here. We are not going to criticize anyone here, so that's not a problem. Even if we have a loss, that's not a problem. Okay, Mohammed Sakur, you were who told me that to sell what to sell New Zealand USD, but you forget on that time. Look at the candle close. Look at the candle close. It was above the middle dotted line, and the next candle was also up. And can you see a bearish candle on the screen? Then the answer is simple. There was no bearish candle on the screen. Then it means that buying was on and selling was not on. So why you have suggested me that sell the pair? So look at here, that's the end result that you normally people do, that you take early positions, because right now you have suggested me a trade from here because you thought that it has already went so much up. So do not trade the market like this. Wait for the market to make a bearish pattern first, then take a sell position, and this loss is arised. Otherwise, when you ask me that sell New Zealand USD. On that time, I said you that okay, if you told me to sell, so from my words you can understand that I was telling you not to sell at that area. Basically, that what my heart was saying on that time, because it was supposed to go more up. And on that time, Graham told me to buy AUD USD because the same situation was going on. If you look at New Zealand USD and if you look at AUD USD, the same situation was going on, and Graham told me to buy AUD USD, and we took a profit on that trade. So hopefully, it must be clear that you should not do such type of trading in the future. Okay, hopefully I have rectified your mistake. Okay, guys, now tell me who recommended me with a buy position on Euro New Zealand. Euro New Zealand, who recommended me with a buy position? Okay, guys, come on. We made the loss. Do not worry about the losses. I will recover those losses. That's not a problem. But the main purpose is to learn. So learn from me as much as you can. So who told me to take a buy position on Euro New Zealand, because I will rectify the mistake. So just post the name here. Come up, guy who told me to take a buy position on Euro New Zealand. I think it's me. I think okay, Blair boss. Let me tell you how you get deceived by this market. Look, what happened initially when this candle started. It was making the upward pattern. So basically, it was making the bearish pin. That's why I say that look at here, look at here. You should wait for one bullish candle, or you should wait for a long bullish candle so that you can take a ride from the middle. So let's say if we talk about this candle, so we can say that we should take the ride from the middle. Otherwise, at least one bullish candle if appears here, then we should take the ride. But right now there was no bullish candles, but still it was making the bearish pin, and you advised me to take a sell position. And if you remember, then I intentionally opened the Euro New Zealand chart on that time, and I said, guys, what do you think about New Zealand USD? Because I thought that maximum number of people will think that it will go into the upward direction, because they have not decided about the this tail, this height, this that the candle has made. So guys, always seek for the height, and always look at here, judge the first minutes of each candle. Look, in the first 31 minutes, in the start it has went a little bit up, made a bearish tail, then it went bearish, so it was deception. So hopefully you will not be deceived next time. So do not take early trades, because even you look at the previous candle, the previous candle was bearish. So when the previous candle is bearish, so selling chances are on, so no buying chances are on. I have answered to your questions. Okay, guys, we do not have any active trade right now. Now you will tell me. Okay, Blair, no problem. Thank you so much. Don't worry about the losses. I will recover them with my personal trading. That's not a problem. So guys, we are open to suggestions again. We have no active trade right now. So you will have to tell me which trade should be triggered right now, so that we can rectify our trading as much as we can. So we have different pairs. Let me discuss from the scratch. Euro Canadian dollar, look, it's dropped. Okay, Euro Great Britain pound. Okay, Euro USD, and let me delete that line as well. Okay, Euro USD, Great Britain pound, USD JPY, USD CHF, USD Canadian dollar. Is this possible that you can share your laptop screen on YouTube, because sometimes screen go blur? Raj Money, it's not possible for me because most of the people use the software. I do not know. I'm not very much a technical person in that field. So I know only much about Forex, brother. So that's, I'm not a very much technical savvy type of person. So it's so please bear me like this. So I think so. It's everything is clear because I have set up my laptop very near to my mobile screen, and with my camera, it's camera. So maybe your internet connection can be a little bit slow. So that's why you're facing the problem. Okay, guys, I am again open to the suggestions. You can post your trades here, and I will simply execute those trades without asking a single question. So, Graham, maybe you can come up here, or maybe the other one who is willing to come up with a suggestion. So tell me which trade should be triggered, because this is the open trading live room. You can ask me anything and I will reply to it, as well as you can post your any trade and you post your trades here, and I will simply take a trade on that one. So guys, I'm open to conditions here, so you will tell me which trade should be triggered. So guys, meanwhile, I will keep on rectifying your trades as well, rectifying, and I will keep on telling you about your mistakes that you are doing with the trading. So in this way, you will learn much better from that forex market. So overall, guys, are you done, or you want me to take any trade? No, no one is going there. Yes, it's better to share your screen on YouTube. Yes, Blair, it could be better, but basically I am using because I have a screen recorder with me as well, but they do not let us allow to record more than 15 minutes. And when you talk about uploading the process to the YouTube, then it's very much heavy when you especially record a video through your laptop. It records, if even you know that we even do sometimes a 2 hour session, so it will be big one. Okay, Mohammed Sukar says Great Britain pound sell, but we need for the 1 hour candle to close. Okay, brother, let me know about after 1 hour, so that we will wait for a confirmation of a bearish candle. Rather, if it closes above, then it could be the confirmation, it could be the possible direction into the upward trend, not into the bearish trend, because the middle dotted line is the upward trend representation. Okay, guys, any other trade? So meanwhile, guys, okay, Tony Smith said USD Canadian dollar sell. Okay, I'm going to sell USD Canadian dollar again, so no problem. Let's sell it. That's not a problem. Okay, no for Great Britain pound USD level. Okay, nothing. Okay, no, I'm not going to touch you Great Britain pound USD until unless you will not allow me to touch that one. Okay, USD JPY sell. That's Great Britain sell or not. Gonzalo Garcia. Gonzalo Garcia, you have to come up with the option that with the confirmed trade. Okay, who told me to sell USD JPY? Should I sell that one? Because your comment got invisible. So post your comment again if you want me to sell USD JPY. So guys, I am open to suggestions. Suggest me with the trades. Right now we have made two losses here, and I have rectified your mistake that why we have these losses. Otherwise we were going pretty fine on that time. So right now you will tell me which trade should be triggered, and then we will do our session like this. We will continue our session like this. So your cooperation will be highly appreciated, because this is your trading live room. You will suggest me with the options, and I will simply take the trade without asking a single question. Okay, guys, those subscribers who want their comment to stay in front of my mobile phone for a longer period of time, they need to use the super chat option. You can see a dollar sign on the screen, and you can use the super chat option for if you want that your comment should be stay long. Okay, Great Britain pound USD, Great Britain pound USD buy. That's a position by Graham recommendation. Okay, let's take a buy position on Great Britain pound USD, because Graham has told us to take a buy position here. Okay, guys, look, 20 and 60 0.50. It's going to work. It's working right now. So let's see. Maybe Graham is right, or maybe he could be wrong as well. So let's see what is going to happen with Graham. Okay, Grant, don't worry. I'm now you are a very good trader, and hopefully you will do good this in this market. Okay, guys. So what next? Do not have any suggestions. So guys, you are not liking the live stream, guys. Come on, guys. Please press the like button so that I can be appreciated as well, so that most of the people can see that you people are loving this content. So press the like button, guys. I'm looking at my likes, so keep on giving the likes to that live stream, so that we can. Okay, yes, we have one like more. So guys, like more, guys, more. Yes, one more like rises. So more likes are needed on this live stream so that we can tell everybody that I have subscribers who love our content, guys. Yes, keep on liking this. I'm looking at my screen and it's working fine because my subscribers are going to like this live stream. That's really good, and I'm really, really thankful to you that you people are loving this content. Okay, guys, any other trade you want me to trigger? We got 20 likes. Very good, guys. Very good, guys. Keep on pressing the like button so that we can have more likes, because if your likes will uh, tell us. Okay, Graham, we are in profit finally. 5.70. Graham has helped us to recover us from the losses little bit. So overall, a very good call from Graham. Let me open the Great Britain Pound USD chart. Graham was pretty right. Okay, okay, overall, okay, USD JPY Tim, USD JPY sell again. Okay, that's set Tim. Okay, sell again on USD CHF. Okay, so why Graham was right here? So basically, the candle wasn't closed above the middle dotted line, but overall, if you look at the length of candle, guys, it was a very good call. If the market was pumping so much high, and even if you look at right now, it's pumping still high on Great Britain Pound USD. Look at the size of the candle. The size of the candle matters. So if the size of the candle, if you feel that it's pumping up nicely, it's pumping up into the upper direction, then you can trade that pair. That's not a problem. So overall, a very good call from Graham. Thank you so much, Graham, to be a part of this trading live room. And hopefully, you are, as I have mentioned, that you are one of my top students who have learned from me during this market. You guys, Graham is the person who is with me from the last 3 years. He is working with me, and he subscribed, even subscribed to my Signal service. He have the trading system as well, and he has also taken the live coaching session from me. So overall, he's a very good guy. We have a lot of discussions over Skype. So very well. I love Graham. Love you, Graham. Thank you so much being a part of this community. Okay, guys, we are working good on USD JPY. Overall, if you ask me, it was a good call. But who told me about USD JPY? Come up with a name. Who told me about to sell USD JPY? Because that guy is understanding the market correctly. I just want, okay, Muhammad Shukar, you were pretty fine. You did a right call, because you can see the market was getting the rejection from the overbought levels, and we also received a sell signal from the scalper. And Tim, you did okay, fine, Tim. That's good. So guys, Tim also advised us to sell USD JPY, because you can see the market was getting a rejection from the oversold levels. Okay, Blair Boss also recommended us with a sell on USD JPY. So guys, the market was getting the rejection from the overbought levels. In the last hour, we have also received a sell signal from the scalper. That's why we have received a drop on the USD JPY chart, and maybe it can grow it extend its drops into the further way. So let's see how it goes, because I basically want to teach you right now that what's going on. Okay, so I will keep on updating you with the mistakes as well. Okay, let's see. Okay, guys, any other trade you want to suggest me? Because we want to do the session right now, and maybe we are going to do session for the next 20 minutes and 30 minutes. So it depends on you. So guys, like this live stream as much as you can. Keep on liking this live stream. I'm looking at the likes button. So like this live stream so that we can see that you people are loving this content. Okay, did you close Great Britain Pound USD? Yes, Graham, I already closed this one. Look, we caught 5.70 on Great Britain Pound USD. You can see on the screen we have already closed this one as per your recommendation. So guys, Graham recommended us to take a buy position on Great Britain Pound USD, and he was pretty right, and we already get rid of that trade with a profit. So welcome, welcome to the new traders who are also new to this trading room. So basically, we are open to the suggestions. This trading, yes, great. Thank you, Graham. So this trading room is for you people. You people will advise me as per the trading system that is attached on my chart. So you will have to tell me that what to do as per this trading system, and I will rectify your mistakes later on. So we are basically doing this session to improve the trading of my YouTube community that is in my subscriber list. And guys, also those traders who are watching this live stream, if they have not subscribed my YouTube channel, then do subscribe it and also press the bell button. Tony Smith said losing profits on USD Canadian dollar. USD Canadian dollar. Great Britain pound USD buy, that is by Dinesh Mathivanan. Okay, let me have a look. Great Britain pound USD, he said buy. Simply, I'm going to take a buy position at Dinesh Mathinwan, I think so that was the name. So difficult name by the way. So USD Canadian dollar, guys. USD Canadian dollar, one of the person said that we are losing the profit. Yes, you're right, we are losing the profit on this one. But I will tell you the mistake that where the mistake was. So maybe this could go right, but overall I have noted one point at that area, so I will notify you about that point. Let's decide that maybe it could come into smaller profit, then I will probably close this one and then I will highlight you about the mistake that what it is done. I sold more New Zealand USD, just updating my personal updates. Mohammed Sukar. Okay, Mohammed Sukar, that's fine. It's your personal account, so it's your choice to do whatever you want to. Dinesh Mathivan, sell USD JPY. Basically, Dinesh Mathivan, we are open to one suggestion at one time. So you have already advised the trade. So let give chance to other members as well. So let them come up with their suggestions so that we can do more better and let everyone have a chance to provide the suggestions and they can learn in this way. Okay, Graham, just have a look on Euro JPY. The previous candle closes below. Look, it was just making the tail, and now look at here, it's again pumped down. So if we had not closed the Euro JPY trade on that time, like for example, now look at here Euro JPY, where it is. Oh, where it is gone. Euro JPY, I'm not sure, it has gone somewhere. It's just mix up. Euro JPY here. Look, we lost 15.80. I'm sharing your videos so you can get more likes. Mohammed Shukr, thank you so much, brother. I need your help regarding this because you will share as much as you people will share these videos. The more people we will catch in our trading room, and we will be going to improve our trading room, and we will get more people here, and we will do more crazy buying and selling activities. So basically, Graham, we did a right close on that time because we do not want to risk our trades. But overall, trading system was right. It was closed below, and that's what we talk about. That I've already highlighted. The market makes a tail sometimes, so I didn't risk much than 15. But overall, the chances are still to go down on Euro JPY because I think so. Trading system is right, and even if you look at the price and monitor, it's also directed into the downward direction. And look, right now Euro JPY personally pumped very much down. So guys, coming back to the suggestions here. Okay, USD CAD, better to be safe. Yes, Graham, yes, better to be safe, that's more important. Okay, so who suggested me with the USD Canadian dollar trade? Okay, who suggested me? Because there is a problem with that trade and I want to highlight that problem. Okay, guys, who suggested me with the USD Canadian dollar sell trade? Because I want to teach him one thing, that's maybe this trade can be cleared, and hopefully, I also hope that maybe this could be cleared, or maybe it is going to hit our stop loss. Okay, I think Ram, you were not that person who told me to sell USD Canadian dollar, right? You told me to buy Great Britain Pound USD on that time. Okay, Tony Smith, that was me. Okay, Tony, let me tell you one thing. Look, brother, if I put the line here, like if I analyze the previous few hours, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and in the ninth hour, we have taken the trade. So from the last 8 hours, the market was just leaning in a particular level. Yes, Graham, that's why I said that you were not that person. So Tony, that's what I want to say, that market was just leaning on a same level. Luckily, it got rejected from that level, but still we are unable to cash the profit on that trade. So let me tell you, whenever you see the scenarios like this, that the market is slow from last few hours, then you should not plan any kind of trade on that particular pair, because this could become a very risky option, Tony. So overall, we have triggered this trade because, as per your opinion, I have told you that in this trading room, who will to tell me to take a trade, I will simply take that trade without asking any questions. But I am also the main purpose of this live stream is to rectify your mistakes. So basically, this trade can go into our way. I can agree, maybe it could go to, if it goes to 15 loss, then we will simply close that trade. And if it goes into our way, then we will take the profit. But just to be careful and to be safe in this trading market, I'm telling you, if the market is making the slower momentum from last 6 to 8 hours, then guys, in that scenario, do not take even a buy and even a sell position on that particular pair, because this could be very, very risky. I hope, Tony, you must not do this mistake in future. What do you think, guys? Tony, what do you think about it? Am I right or am I wrong? Okay, guys, one of the trader, I think that was Mohammed Sukar, who advised me with a buy on grid and bond USD. Still, it's a fine trade, but overall, still we are into the slower momentum. So right now, let's see. So Tony, you have not replied that. Do you agree to my point of view that market was slow, so we have took the early chance on that one? Okay, guys, anyone else who want me to take a trade? Meanwhile, guys, please like this live streaming, because your likes are just stopped. I can see on the screen you are not liking this live stream. So press more likes. Press the like button, everyone, so that we can have more likes on the video. I'm just watching at my likes. So, guys, please like this live stream, share this live stream as much as you can on YouTube, even at your Facebook pages, whatever you want to do. So, share it as much as you can, because everyone should know that 200 Forex Pips is giving a very good work, and they are helping their subscribers in a very good way. So, please like this live stream and keep on sharing this one. Okay, guys, we are near to about to hit our stop loss on USD Canadian dollar, but let me hold it for the more period of time, because overall it could be bearish, because on the 4-hour chart you can see it's still below the middle dotted line. So we'll okay, Gonzola Garcia, you're right. Thank you, Gonzola Garcia. So please share this live streaming and press the like button as well, so that we can have more members into our trading room, and everyone can come to know that we are going to do a very good work in the trading market, so that we can have more members. Good news, it shows 23 watching and 23 likes. Yes, exactly, Tim. But you know that some people come and some people go. So this is how, because when I update my video on YouTube, then I see that I have like sometimes 400, sometimes 250 views, sometimes 300. So basically, people come, but I understand what you are saying. Yes, thank you, Tony. So that's good that you people, when you people will like the videos, then it will be more good for us. So, guys, now come up with your options. Where have you gone? Suggest me with any trade. Assalamu alaikum, Ali Alvi, and sir, introduce yourself. Well, Alvi, I am Subhan, and I'm just providing forex consultancy. And in this trading room, what we are doing, I am just open to the suggestions, because some of the traders, you can say that most of the traders were doing mistakes using the trading system. So I come to this live trading room so that I can teach them that when they do mistakes, I am just rectifying their mistakes. So I'm open to suggestions. So if you feel that there is any trading opportunity in the market, you can simply drop your trade here, and I will simply execute this trade, your trade, at my end on any pair that will be in our list. So without asking any questions, I will simply execute the trade. And this is the Exness real account. This is not the demo account. And we are learning from this phase, because I want my subscribers to be best in the field of forex trading. That's why we are doing this live stream. So hopefully introduction is completed. So guys, uh, post me with your comments, otherwise I will also have to see by myself that is there any opportunity. But I have kept everything for you because I want you people to tell me what should be a good trade on what pair. So better you tell me right now. Okay, guys, your USD pumped back. Can you see that? Your USD was pumped up, but later on it pumped back. Okay, let's have a look. Great Britain pound USD still going fine. USD Canadian dollar is the only trade that went a little bit far, but right now, don't worry about it. AUD USD pumped up, and already Gram has helped us by taking the profit on this one. Euro JPY, guys, it's still below the middle dotted line. Okay, guys, USD JPY is in somehow profit, slight profit on USD JPY. Let's have a look here. So it's pumping. Let's see if it pumps more down. So overall, slow momentum is coming into the market. So guys, any suggestions? I'm open to the suggestions. Market is really flat right now. So Tony Smith, basically why the market is slow. You know that traders are right now out from the market. Most of the traders are not trading these days due to the disease that is widely spread all over the world, and it's better to be safe, stay at your homes and use the precautionary measures in any way. So you know that mostly people want them that they need hard cash, everything in their houses in the form of a hard cash. So guys, that's why people might not be investing in this market. So I also received the email from the broker Exness. They told me that due to the low liquidity and due to the low investors in the market, they also have increased their spreads on trading gold. That's why I am announcing from many days, do not trade gold, because mostly you will be charged with the higher spreads. So you need to be very careful in that scenario. So until unless the situation doesn't gets better, so on that time we will have to stay at our homes, and I pray that everyone should be fine. Okay, guys, sir, what is the spread and which is good broker? I am working in PMX. The spread is too much high. Alvi, you can find the link of the this broker Exness that I'm personally using for my trading. That's called Exness Broker, and you can just on 200 Forex Pips YouTube channel, you can play my any video, and you can find the link of the description in the the link of this Exness broker in the description of the video. Even if you watch my previous live streams, then read the description of that live streams. The link is already in the description, so you can simply copy the link from that here and from the description, and you can go to the Exness website and you can join that website. They have very good spreads, and just make sure that you contact them on their live chat and ask them that if they support your country or not. So if they support your country, then everything is going to be fine. They are a very top regulated as well honest broker. Yes, I made that mistake on gold earlier this week, lost immediately on the expanded spread. Yes, Tony, that's why I'm repeating that do not take a trade on gold because the spreads are getting so much higher. Okay, guys, I'm adding one trade from my side from a two lot size on Euro JPY. I'm just going to take a sell position on Euro JPY. Right now, after 3 minutes, the market is going to close, but we have made some losses with the suggestions from my subscribers. So want to cover some things. Overall, below the market is below the middle dotted line. That's why I took a chance. So let's see how this goes. So right now you can see 16 is the loss going on Euro JPY. So we will find other opportunities as well. Thank you for all that you do, Tim. Thank you so much, and I also thank you that you are the part of 200 Forex Pips community. Okay, guys, what's going on USD Canadian dollar? It's pumped. Okay, guys, we are on a profit on Euro JPY. Can you see that? I have just triggered that trade in front of you. Okay, Euro JPY, we are getting 23, and I'm just going to exit 25 and exit. Okay, look, why I have taken this chance? Because the market was pumping below the middle dotted line. So guys, I cannot take a buy position from here. That's why I took a sell position with a two lot size. Yes, in profit. Yes, Blair, thank you so much for the comment. So why I took this trade? Because I was willing to look. We have recovered that loss that we made on Euro New Zealand with a single 1 minute trade that went on Euro JPY with a two lot size. So very quick profit. That's why I say that I have left this channel for you people, for the sake of my subscribers, that you will tell me which trade should be triggered, and I will simply recover the losses by trading manually by myself. Even if I'm offline, I will trade by myself. Just the matter is this, we should not make maximum losses. Okay, USD Canadian dollar is till now it's stuck. Okay, guys, just tell me who suggested me with that trade, because I want to. I think I have already told about this thing, but who suggested me with USD Canadian dollar sell trade? So basically, guys, whoever suggested it, basically it was slow. Mohammed Sukur, New Zealand USD is doing good, might be going good, so it's going fine. It's going into the upward direction. That's fine. Okay, guys, Canadian dollar JPY. Look at the other pairs and tell me if you feel any other opportunity into the market. And guys, meanwhile, let me tell you, those subscribers who are willing to subscribe to my daily Forex signal service, like I have this signal service. This is a report. This is for the paid users. I send this report after 12 p.m. GMT +5. If you want to subscribe to my signals, those subscribers who do not have this trading system that is already attached on the chart, so those who want to get this a trading system, those who are willing to learn that how I prepare my own signals, and after learning that trick, you will be able to prepare your signals on any currency pair. So I charge $700 for that trick. So those who are willing to learn, and those who are willing to get this trading system, signals and coaching, for all this you need to send your inquiries on info at the rate of 200forexpips.com. That's my official email. So guys, you can use my official email to connect to me regarding the coaching programs, trading system, as well as anything. Guys, I'm again repeating, if you need anything, if you do not have the trading system, if you want to subscribe to the signal service, if you want to get coaching from my side, that how I prepare the signals and general coaching, then you need to contact me on info at the rate of 200forexpips.com. Okay, guys, let's back to trading again. So guys, why don't you suggest me with any trade? I'm just looking at yourself. Right now I have traded Euro JPY, and you can see I caught 22.08, and I recovered the loss that we have made on Euro New Zealand trade. So it's immediately recovered with no problem. So meanwhile, I have also added one of the trade by myself. So guys, like this live stream, because again it seems that the likes are stopped. So why don't you like the live stream, guys? Come on, at least if you like the content, then you should like this, guys. I'm watching at the like buttons. Okay, Tech Moha, hello. Yes, Tech Moha, how are you, brother? Welcome back. You were attending the yesterday's session, but you are not here for the today's session. Okay, guys, we have received one more like from our valuable subscribers. So guys, give us more likes so that we can do more trading and we can share our content. And guys, also please make sure that everyone who is watching this live stream, they should share this live stream on YouTube with everyone. Have you sold Euro USD? Guys, that's Marova Bo asked. We have basically take a buy position on Euro USD. This is the open trading room. Guys are suggesting me with the trades, and I am rectifying their trades. We had a sell previously, but we had the recent trade was buy on Euro USD. So basically, this is the open trading room. You will have to suggest me with the trades, and I will tell you where you have make the mistakes. So guys, come up with the trading. So why are you people stopped? Where is Graham? Where is Blair Boss? And where is Adams? Euro JPY sell scalper now. Okay, let me have a look on Euro JPY. Okay, Graham, what do you want me to do? Do you want me to do anything on Great Britain Pound JPY? Just tell me if you want me to do anything. So simply I will take a trade. That's not a problem. Just let me know what you want me to do on Euro JPY. Do you feel that it can be bearish, or do you feel it can be bullish? What is your opinion? But if you don't feel anything, Do not suggest any trade. Okay. Are you sell Great Britain pound JPY that what's at PVPTV? Great Britain pound JPY, brother, you will have to tell me what to do, sell or buy, because I am here to rectify your mistakes. So I have just added one trade from myself because we have made the loss. No trade. Okay, Graham, I'm taking no trade on that one. So USD Canadian dollar, the next hour has started, but overall, guys, I have already told you why USD Canadian dollar is going into loss, because the previous pattern was very slow. So the guy who advised me with a sell position on that time on USD Canadian dollar, that was not the right call. That is why this trade is in loss. Otherwise, I look at the patterns, and if the patterns are beautiful, then we normally trade that one. So guys, press the like button, share this live streaming with everyone so that we can have more people. And we once we will have more people on the live streaming, then we will do more session. Sell Great Britain Port JPY entry with big moves 134. So PVP, you need to tell me right now what to do right now, because uh, we are not setting up the you can say that we are not setting up the sell limits and buy limits here. You need to tell me right now, as per the condition, what to do right now, because we have so many pairs. Even we are not limited to Great Britain Pound JPY. We have so many pairs like Euro Canadian Dollar, Euro Great Britain Pound, Euro USD. So Great Britain Pound USD and USD JPY, USD CHF. You will have to tell me what to do. Okay, guys, I'm adding one trade from my side, that is a buy position on USD CHF. Okay, great. So this is trade from me, and that is traded with one lot size on USD CHF. Just remember that trade. Okay, I have added my trade because I want just you people were boring me because you are not suggesting me with any trades. Okay, look, it's going into profit. Sell Great Britain Pound JPY now. Okay, stop loss. We are not worried about the stop losses, brother. So we are going to sell Great Britain Pound JPY now. That's what recommended by PVP TV. Okay, USD CHF. So guys, why I have taken a buy position? Because if you look at here, the market still does not enter into the over bought level. So still we have a chance to make a profit on USD CHF. So I will do quick scalping, not very long. So quick scalping above 20, I will simply get rid of that trade. So maybe above 20, 30 like this. So that's why I took a chance on USD CHF. Look at the situation here. The market just trying to enter into the overbought level. So that's why I took a chance on USD CHF. I hope the situation must be clear in front of you so that you can understand this scenario. That look, even we have the buy signal from the scalper in the previous hour, so it was better to buy that one, and we can recover our loss that was arised on the previous trade on, I think so, that was New Zealand USD, and already we recovered it. But let's, okay, we are catching 20.58. So guys, what do you think? 20.58. So let's have more, and 24, 28, you can see 27. Okay guys, let's close this one. So we have closed and profited on USD CHF, that is 27.78. Hopefully you will trade like this, because what I have taught you right now, that guys, you can trade the market even if it's not went into the oversold level. Sell Great Britain Pound Canadian, that's the recommendation by Scott Farm. Sell Great Britain Pound Canadian. Let me have a look, Scott, if it's added into my list or not. Great Britain Pound Canadian dollar. Great Britain Pound Canadian dollar. No, brother, it's not into my list. Let me find me here. Great Britain Pound Canadian dollar. Uh, yes, we have here in the list. So Scott said that we should sell it. So let me first of all, let me attach the indicators so that we can see what's going on as per the indicators, and then I will take the trade because Scott has just said that sell it. So guys, I'm going to take a sell position with 0.10 sorry 0. Sorry, 0.10. Let me settle it 0.10. Again, it's not settling here, guys. 0. Let me see if it get triggers like this. Okay, yes, 0.010. Okay, guys, Scott has advised us to take a position on this pair, so that's why I have added it into my list. And even I'm going to attach the scalper. Even I'm going to attach the pip center, sorry, price action monitor, so that we can have a look what's going on here. Okay, guys, till now we have recovered from our losses that we made on New Zealand USD as well as on USD. This loss is recovered with the trades that I have triggered by myself. That was USD CHF and Euro JPY. Okay, Scott, we are not worried about the stop losses, so I will manage it with the stop losses, no problem. So right now, let's the trade run and let's see what things go on. Okay, guys, let's see how the trades go on. But overall, I will keep on rectifying your trades as well. So, guys, I think we have done a very long session. It's 1 hour and 55 minutes past till now. Okay, guys, we have the losing trade on USD Canadian dollar. I want to get rid of this because it has reached to 18 point something. So Tim said USD Canadian dollar. Look, it's pumping above. So I'm just going to close that one. So Tim said, oh, Tim, repeat your question. Tim said USD got in the live session. Luckily, okay, George, welcome, George. Euro JPY sell again. That what Tim said. So Euro JPY sell again. So where is Euro JPY? Because we have so many pairs now added to our list, and that's due to you guys. Okay, we are going to take a sell position. I'm just increasing the lot size 0.30 and taking a sell on Euro JPY. So guys, Tim said, okay, what was the last message, guys? Basically, I was busy in triggering that trade. So, guys, those who want their comment to stay here for the longer period of time, please use the super chat option. The USD Canadian, I made some profit scalping, George. Great, that's good to hear that you have made profit. But overall, we have made a loss because one of my subscribers suggested me to sell it. But overall, it was going in. It was a slow pair. I have just advised my traders not to trade this one because if we put a line here that it's overall into the slow momentum right now, so not good for trading at the moment. So we have a profit on Euro JPY right now. So guys, let's open the chart Euro JPY quickly. Did your system give a sell signal for New Zealand USD yet? Let me have a look on New Zealand USD, guys. Look, Mohammed Sakar, you need to tell me what's going on here. Look, the market, do you see any bearish candle till now? So better to wait for one bearish candle, or you should wait for the very good long pressure building with a bearish candle. Then you can take a sell chance into your way. Otherwise, it might not be suitable for you to take a chance. Okay, so there is no candle, so it means that no trade should be triggered in the manner of sell. Okay, guys, I have triggered as per the recommendation. Okay, thank you. You're welcome. No problem, brother. Okay, Euro JPY, I have increased the lot size to 0.30. So want more from that trade because it's pumping down so nicely. So let's see if it pumps a little bit down, then it will give us a good profit overall. Okay, guys, let's get rid of all these trades as soon as possible, and then we will end up this session. So right now we will have to see. So meanwhile, if you have not liked this live streaming, so guys, please like this live streaming, share this live streaming as much as you can with other people with on YouTube. So like this live streaming, I'm watching on the like button. So we have 28 likes till now. So guys, I have 29. It reached to 29. So one of our valuable subscribers liked this one. So guys, more likes, please. Please provide more likes on the video so that I can see that you people are loving this content. So please like the button. And moreover, it's very important that you should share this live streaming with everyone so that we can grow our 200 Forex Pips community, and we will have to do more sessions like this, and then on a daily basis you will learn even much better. So guys, press the like button, share this share this live streaming everywhere on YouTube. Just spread the message to the world that we are the one who are working with a good trading system, and with we have a very good community. So you are a part of that community, and it's your responsibility to spread the words to the world. So guys, I believe on you that you are one of the good persons and you are doing well in this community, and hopefully you will be a part of the successful. On an average, how much do you make per day, per week? Let's make ourselves motivated. Yeah, please make a note of your recommended initial deposit. No, brother, you can see the deposit on the screen as well as you can see everything. So if you ask me personally, I do not reveal my personal information, that how much I make per month, per week. It depends on the every month. Each month has a different criteria, but on average, even I do not talk about this. I do not even guarantee anyone that how much we can make. Please answer Pak Kachu by Asal Mubashir. Answer Asal Mubashir. I have already answered that I do not personally reveal my income to anyone. So it depends on you that if you want to listen or not. So basically, I do not answer this question. So you're a JPY. Let's come back to it, because this is a very personal question. If I ask you how much you are making, so it normally feels bad when you ask the personal questions to anyone. So overall, let me tell you, forex trading is a very risky business, and if you want to do trading, then you should be noted that you can also lose your all money here, and you can also make and double your accounts as well. It depends on your trading style, it depends on the system do you have, it depends on your money management, risk management, and each and everything. Okay, guys, Great Britain pound, a Great Britain pound Canadian dollar. Who advised me with a sell position here? So overall, guys, whoever advised me with the sell position here on Great Britain pound AUD, it was basically the right trade. Get out Euro JPY. So no, let's wait, because we are not much loss on Euro JPY. Let's run it, brother. Let's take it more. Okay, so let's wait it more. Okay, you went out of Euro JPY. So brother, I have just taken with 0.30 on Euro JPY. So preferably I would like to have more, because it can have a drop further, because I am expecting a drop on this one. Look, the pattern is right now very sweet to go down. So look, it's pumping down. Look, it's pumping down. We are catching 8.27. We are catching more 8.84, and if it drops further, then we will catch even more than this. Reverse to 8, 7.5. But guys, if you think that if I should, USA in the house, Tigger Slade, yes, brother, everyone is in the house these days. We are stuck to our homes, and that is why I also doing the live sessions, because during that time when we are stuck to our homes, and we are limited to do nothing, so that's why we are more interested in teaching it. It reached the bottom. Okay, guys, if you believe that I should stop my trade on Euro JPY, then on your request, I'm going to exit this one. So I have just exited this one at, let's see when it closes, because it's just, okay, it's closed. So guys, on your request, I closed it at 3.59, because you said that it reached to the bottom. Anyways, it's your trading style. So Great Britain pound Canadian dollar. Okay, who suggested me with this to take a sell position? Okay, who suggested me with a sell position on Great Britain pound AU Canadian dollar? Because I want to rectify one thing. I have closed it at a stop, at the manual stop loss of 20.58. Let me tell you. So guys, who suggested me with a sell position on Great Britain pound Canadian dollar? Let me tell you that what was the mistake. I did great. Okay, Scott. Okay, Scott, look at here. Basically, only the one candle was pumped down. The market, look, the market works like a tennis ball here. It touches the it touches, basically, if you ask me, when the market is dropping from the top, then it can bounce back after touching the blue boundary sometimes. But if it is able to break that level, then only we can say that it can go further down. Otherwise, it will have chances to stay above. So look at here, always look at the pattern itself, that from many hours Great Britain pound Canadian dollar was going into the upward direction. So only based on the one candle we cannot decide that the trend has changed. But overall, let's say if this candle appeared at somewhere here at the top red boundary, then we can trust more on the one candle. But overall, it was a 50-50 trade, you can say that. It has unfortunately went against our way, but it can also go inside our way as well, into our way as well. So that's not a problem. So overall, let me tell you this: sometimes this middle dotted line works like a wall. Like for example, if you throw the tennis ball on the wall, then it reverses back. So the same thing happened with Great Britain pound AU, Great Britain pound Canadian dollar. I hope I have answered to your. Can't say that it's a mistake, but overall, it could become an inquiry here, that this is just like an inquiry. So I hope that that you must be clear about it. Okay, so if it prints inside the red zone, then it's a better confirmation for reversal. Yes, Scott, that's what I want to say. That would be much better. So wait for that. But if you see that, for example, let's say if this bearish candle, Scott, was going much further down, then we can say that it could be a much better trade. So for taking a trade, because if the length of this candle was getting down, so it means that a straight bearish pressure is coming, then in that scenario you can take a trade right from here, and even from the middle of the candle. That would be much helpful. Okay, guys, drop your questions here if you have any. Then keep on posting your questions here, because I'm open to the suggestions. Okay, thank you so much. Scott said, well, you're welcome, Scott. If you have any further questions, you can simply ask in this live session. That's not a problem. So basically, the main purpose of this live session is to help you about the Forex trading, and hopefully, we will spread our community everywhere. Okay, guys, press the like button. And Graham, if you have not taken a like button till now, so press this channel to see you use the system. Yes, Graham, because you asked so many questions, and once I was tired of your questions, you remember very well about it, that there was a phase, guys, when Graham was used to ask so many questions, and one day I was beating my head that who is Graham. But nowadays, if you ask me, Graham Graham is one of my top traders, and he has become my very good friend, and he is with me from 2015. But he asked so many questions, but now I do not mind his questions, because I love him. He's personally a very good person, and he has learned so much from me as well. I have also learned so much from him, because he was always sharing his ideas, thoughts, and problems with me. And from his problems, I have also improved my trading style as well. So Graham is a very good person. He has worked me from 2015. So he's a good person to work with. So overall, I'm very good subscriber of me. I can definitely say that. So Graham, what about Great Britain pound USD? It's pumping up right now, but overall we are still into the bullish pattern. So overall, the previous candle luckily went a bit down, but overall still we are into the bullish pattern. Hopefully, it will be get cleared. Thank you. God bless. No, you're welcome, Graham. God bless you too. Okay, guys. So we have 28 viewers right now, and we have 30 likes, so it means that some viewers have also removed from the channel. Maybe they have went back. So guys, those subscribers who are watching this live stream, if they have not pressed the like button, then please press the like button. We have just 30 likes on the screen, so we can improve our likes as well. So moreover, guys, if you have not shared this live stream, then please share it. And guys, if you want to get the trading system, if you want to advise copying, do you advise copy trading, for example? No, brother, I do not advise any platform, because I don't want myself to that at some point you will start blaming me that you advised us to some copy trading platform. What I advise you, look, guys, manual trading is always the good thing. Do not copy anyone. That what I can say that. Uh, why don't you learn? Look, we are doing very good session right now, and we are doing these sessions from many days. We started from like 4 to 5 days and we are doing well. So guys, you should learn. At least I am also one of the person who has learned this market. So bakanchuka, so you should learn. You should not follow any kind of copy trading services. You should only join the patent good service providers. You can google them and you can watch the videos on YouTube, and when you feel, you should get the feel from the work of the persons who are dealing in the forex markets. Ask them from their previous samples of their signals report, compare them with their metaphor trader. Okay, Blair Boss said if you provide a copy trading, it's very better for us. So basically, Blair, to be very honest, I don't want to put anyone into the risk because I like my trading style. Everything is fine with my trading style. Everything is fine, but still, maybe my one trade can go into loss, and maybe that could not be good for anyone. So I do not personally do copy trading. I have just prepared this signals report. So even if you look at the signal report, at the end it is mentioned that you will trade it at your own risk, and these are educational in nature. So guys, just for the safety purpose, so I can simply say that it's more better to be safe instead of anyone to waste the money in the forex market. So that's why I'm not providing the copy trade service. I think we are doing much better than the copy trade because we are doing the live trading, and what could be more better than this? So, like for example, till now we have explained so many scenarios till now into our sessions, and there were so many scenarios in different positions. We have taken buy and sell positions, and if you have this trading system, then you must come to know that in different situations how the market behaves. So you can do pretty well by yourself. So why you want to copy anyone? So it does not make any kind of sense. So let me tell you this. So that's important. Okay, guys, who suggested me with a Great Britain pound JPY sell position? Who was that person who suggested me with the sell position on Great Britain pound JPY? Because I want to rectify his mistake here. Okay, Tech Moha, you advised me with a sell position on Great Britain pound JPY, but you haven't seen the previous candle. The previous candle was closed bullish, so it means that whenever still we have a bullish close, so we cannot expect much from the market on that time. So the next candle can also maximum chances to pump bullish, and that's why we can see the loss on the screen. So that's why I'm going to close this one on the smaller loss. Instead, we have a big loss on Great Britain pound JPY. So overall, it looks bullish to us right now. Your live trading stream is really helpful and educational. Please keep it going, dear. We are already happy because we get to clarify many things. Thanks again. Yes, brother, I will try my best that I will keep on doing this live stream 2 times a day. One time, but I do not guarantee about the second, the evening session. But normally I do at, you can say that at 2 p.m. GMT plus 5 during the afternoon, and then we do at yeah, in the evening. So we can say that after 6 p.m. GMT plus 5, or maybe after 7 p.m. we are going to do the live session. Okay, Tech Moha, Euro JPY buy now. Let's have a look on your. Oh, Tech Moha, are you really sure Euro JPY buy now? Just have a look. Just have a look. It's pumping down from the middle dotted line. How you can suggest a buy position here? Look, that's technically wrong trade. Technically wrong trade. So that's why I am not executing this trade, because it's 100% confirmed that it will go in straight into the loss. Okay, do you agree to me right now? Because it was out of my mind to buy great Euro JPY when it's pumping down. So I think it can be a foolish idea. What do you think, Bob? Okay, what is your time zone? My time zone is Tiger Slayer. My time zone is GMT plus 5. Yes, Kram, I agree. It's a sell, it's not a buy, because I have already explained this scenario in my live streaming that when the market is pumping below the middle dotted line, then why to take a buy position? It was simply a wrong approach. That's why I have not taken a trade, because I was 100% sure it will simply go into loss. So that's why I did not took that trade. Okay, guys. Hopefully you will not mind. That subscriber who posted that trade, I think that was Tech Moha. So please do not mind. I have not taken your trade because it was technically so much wrong to go with the trade. Okay, Graham also agree because it was the wrong trade and it was a completely a wrong suggestion, and we have already discussed it. I can go a lot lower. I can go at a lot. Yes, we can say that. Yes, Great Britain Pound JBY. What PVP TV? What do you want to do with Great Britain Pound JPY? Because look, it pumped up, and the my subscriber has told me to sell that pair, but I closed it on a manual stop loss of how much 6.07. I closed it manually because the previous candle close is, look at here, the previous candle close is bullish, so we cannot expect that the previous candle close is bullish. So what could be the with the next candle? So it can also be bullish. So we cannot be over smart. Do not try to be over smart this with this market, otherwise you will have a lot of losing chances in this market. So guys, any questions from each side are highly welcome. You can simply ask your questions. Right now we have done a live streaming of 2 hours and 15 minutes, and guys, I think so we have already done so much. So guys, I think we should stop doing more trades right now. So I'm open to the questions for the next couple of minutes. If you have any questions relating to forex trading, relating to the trading system, anything, guys, if you want to learn and if you want to ask, then simply ask in the chat box. I am going to reply. Where, sir, please tell me indicators you use weapon access. Weapon access, you can contact me on info at the rate of 200forexpips.com. My website is www.200forexpips.com. You can contact me if you want to get these indicators. Okay, what next? How much? As a Mubashir, you are asking wrong questions. Thank you. Enjoy your evening. That's Tim. Thank you, Tim. And what next? Any other questions, please? If you have any other questions, then guys, please post your questions here so that I can answer to your questions, and then we will end up this session. When you use the scalper, is that for the next candle? Elliot said. Elliot, basically we use the scalper into the okay, first of all, we have the profit on Great Britain Pound USD, and that was recommended by, I think, Graham or someone else. So basically over it was pumping up. Look, the previous candle was pumped up and the next candle also pumping up. That's why we have the profit. Okay, Elliot said, well, how to use scalper, when to use the scalper. Okay, Elliot, look at this scenario. You know the scalper gives lot of messages, like for example here it has given us a red signal, and on the next candle it has given us a white signal. So how to use this scalper? So for example, look at this scenario. Here it is given a buy signal from the scalper, right? But on the next candle it has given us a red signal. So first of all, you will see that where the market actually stands. Look, if you look at here, the market stands at the oversold levels right now. So it means that you have to ignore the red signal here. How long you have been with the trading? I am with trading for last 8 years. Okay, so I was replying to the question that how to use the scalper. So ignore the red arrows when you can see that the market is already near to the oversold levels. Instead, you should taking the buy positions, because you have the buy signal from the scalper and then again a buy signal from the scalper. And look, 1 2 3 4 hours and 5 6 hours the market has went into the upward direction. So, and you should ignore white arrows at the top red boundary and seek red arrows and white arrows into the lower red boundary, and you should ignore that one. I don't know if it's profitable to trade on options, because the drawback on binary options is one. Brother, I can simply say that those who are trading the binary options, they should not trade that one, because it's just like gambling, and it's not good for you. So do not do binary options. And let me tell you one thing, mostly 90% of the brokers that are dealing in the binary options are scam. They simply want to eat your money. And mostly 99%, if you ask me, by the way, I make a $2 in the IC market, I think so they are fine. I do not have any idea, but overall binary options is overall a scam. Sometimes they show you wrong charts. I mean, whatever, for example, right now on Great Britain Pound USD market is going up, but maybe on the binary option platform you will see that on the 1 minute the market is going down. So they cheat you very well. So please do not trade on binary options. I personally do not trade that one. Previously, I when I was there, then when it come new into the market, we entered into it also. But later on, we felt that this is not wise. And when I have seen FBS is a scam, Blair Boss said, brother, I do not have any idea about FBS. Because I trade Exness, and I think Exness is a good broker, but I do not have a very much knowledge about the brokers. But overall, I can say about binary options, mostly brokers are scam when we talk about the binary options. How many indicators are using this session right now? Thanks, Tiger Siller. So Tiger Siller, we are using three indicators. The first one is the red boundary indicator, the second one is the arrow indicator, and the third one is the price action monitor. So we are using the three indicators. So if you want to get these indicators, then you can contact me, info at the rate of 200forexpips.com. I repeat, info at the rate of 200forexpips.com. But overall, most of our trading decisions, like you can say that 90% of our 90% of our trading decisions are based on the red boundary indicators. What next, guys? Any other question? Then please tell me. So, any other question, guys, you can tell me and I can answer it. Why do you trade for a long? Do what? Thanks, trade. I will do what you trade for long time. Tuhin Islam, I did not understand your question, brother. Do what you trade for long time? I don't understand what you're talking about because I don't understand this English. Look at Euro JPY. I was right. Technical Moha. Okay, brother, let me have a look. Euro JPY, what's happened? Okay, but brother, still it's into the downward direction because overall the market is still below the. If you were advised with the sell position on this, then must be right. Then I can say that it was a right call. But overall, if you say that buying Euro JPY right now, then it could be a wrong call at that, in my opinion. Okay, guys, we have as well as a profit on USD JPY, so let's get rid of it as well. Uh, Great Britain Pound JPY. Okay, I'm going to close it as well. So, guys, we have closed all the trades, and guys, we have done the profit overall so far, because you can see we what we have in this today's session, how many losses we made: 20 and 18, and these were the trades that was recommended by the, and that 16, these were the trades recommended by the subscribers, but later on we recovered them with a couple of trading indicator system of them were purchased from the cheap. If you certifies, could you sign, please have a look. Look, brother, I am not very much technical in this, so I just know about the indicators that I have. I do not have the idea about the rest of indicators. Let me add one more thing, that if you look at this platform, then you can see that there are a lot of indicators in your indicator section here. So like oscillator, trend, if you go to average, direction, momentum, Bollinger Bands, and Ichimoku moving averages, most of the time people use it. Parabolic star, standard deviation, I just will say that based on my personal research, these all are lagging indicators. Please do not use these indicators for your trading. Have you ever tried to have you ever tried to think that why these indicators are free in your MT4 terminal? Because whenever you lose, your broker makes money. So do not use these indicators. These really are not good. You will find a lot of articles in your Google as well as on YouTube that these are the good indicators. For example, if we talk about especially about the moving averages, but I do not personally rely on them. So make sure that you should not use this for your trading. Okay, guys, guys, sorry. Now my throat is going bad, and I think we are done with the live session. And guys, if you have any inquiries, then you can simply email to info@of 200forexpips.com if you want to get this trading system. If you want to join signal service, if you want to get the coaching that how I prepare the signals report, that signal report that I send to the subscribers in the morning. So if you want to learn that how I prepare the signals, I charge $700 for that service. So right now Andrew Mail is under coaching and I am already taking that. So if you want to book a session with me for the next week, then you need to contact me on that email, info@of 200forexpips.com. So guys, make sure that you should be a part of 200 forex pips community. And we will do session tomorrow, hopefully at 2 p.m. GMT plus 5, and then maybe at evening we will again go live. So guys, thank you for watching this live session, and thank you so much that you people all come here and you have joined this this live trading chat room, and you have worked with me, and we have done some sort of scalping, and we have learned a lot from today's session. So guys, thank you so much. It's kind of stupid. Okay, it depends on you, Tohin. You want to don't use to use indicators, it depends on you. Anyways, thank you so much, guys. All of you, thank you so much. Have a good day. Take care of yourself and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.